Good day everyone. Our topic for today is about special binomial product. Okay, how do we find or how do we expand special binomial product? First, we have to follow the pattern. Let's say for instance, we have an example, a plus b and then you square. That is also equal to a plus b times a plus b. Okay, we are going to follow a pattern in obtaining the product of the given binomial. So first, we have the first term, a, and we have the second term, which is b. First step is to find the square of the first term, which is a. Square it. And then, since we have positive sign or plus sign, just write plus. And then the second step is to get the twice of the first and the second term. So we have 2 times A and B. And then the last step is you have to square the second term. That is B, and then you square. And then simplify it, A times A, that is A squared. And then 2 times A times B, that is 2AB, plus B times B, that is B squared. So this will be the product of the square of A plus B. Next, we have X plus 2. So follow the pattern again. X, then you square it. Then we have the plus twice the first and the second, that is 2 times x times 2. And then we have the square of the second term, 2 squared. And then simplify, x times x is x squared, plus 2 times x times 2, that is 4x. And then the square of the last term, which is 2 times 2, that is 4. So that will be your answer. Okay, let's try this one. So that is y squared, and we have the minus, and then twice y, and then 4. So 2 times y, and then 4. 2 times y is 2y times 4, that is 8y. And then square 4, that is 4 times 4, we have 16. And next, we have 3a plus 2. So that is equal to 3a, then you square it, plus twice the first term, 3a, and then 2. Then the last term is 2, then you square it. Simplify, 3 times 3 is 9, a times a is a squared, plus 2 times 3a is 6a times 2, that is 12a, plus 2 times 2 you have 4. Okay, last example, negative 2y, then you square it, times negative 2y times negative 5, and then you're going to twice it, then plus negative 5, and then you square it. So negative 2y times negative 2y is positive 4y squared. 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y times negative 5, that is positive 20y. And then we have negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So that will be your answer.